Welcome to the Ultralight Airplane Workshop. Today we are celebrating a goal of reaching 100 subscribers on the channel. We're going to celebrate by having a t-shirt giveaway. Now you'll have your choice of one of these green t-shirts with white lettering with a small logo on the front, larger logo on the back. Or you can have a black t-shirt with white lettering. The way you enter the t-shirt giveaway is to make a comment on this video and be a subscriber of the channel. Your comment could be just about anything. What kind of ultralight you fly, what kind of things you build with composites, what you like about the channel, what part of the world you live in, just about anything. I'll wait until July 15th of 2019 to do the drawing. I got a little piece of software I'll use the drawing, and I believe I'll make a video of the drawing itself. And I'll post that video to the channel with the name of the winner and with information on how you can contact me to get your t-shirt. I want to thank all of these subscribers for supporting the channel. I've been having a lot of fun. I'm going to keep making videos.